Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this special device. This is a current clamp by T-RMS. This is an all-in-one digital current meter pliers with 6,000 counts and True-RMS 600 ampere AC/DC, and it's a CM06 multimeter for current, voltage, resistance, capacity, frequency, temperature, and NCV over voltage and line detection. You see and you can hear, this is a current clamp. In addition, it is a multimeter. In electrical and electronic engineering, a current clamp, also known as a current probe, is an electrical device with doors which open to allow clamping around an electric conductor. This allows measurement of the current in a conductor without the need to make physical contact with it, or to disconnect it for inserting through the probe. Current clamps are typically used to read the magnitude of an alternating current, an AC. With an additional instruments, the phase and the waveform can also be measured. Some clamp meter can measure current of 1,000 ampere and more. Hall effect and fan type clamps can also measure direct current. This is DC. And here it comes, the all-in-one device for it. Wow, this is the CM06 True-RMS accuracy. This is a professional True-RMS technology, provides reliable metrics for an AC and DC circuits. The multimeter has a large backlit, 6,000-digit display and a precisely measure of AC/DC 600 ampere. AC/DC, baby, yeah. And of course DC and AC, 600 volt. Resistance, capacity, frequency, and temperature. This breadth of pliers and meter is ideal for demanding measurement tasks. This is an all-in-one multimeter and electric tester. This offers a more than just the basic with the advanced feature. Non-contact voltage detection. This is NCV. Inrush current measurement, power line detection, low impedance mode. This is the low Z, and the VFD compatibility for motor drives. And safe and reliable, because this multimeter and current clamp combined device meets the Cat 3 safety standards and offers an overload protection as well as a double insulation. The 30mm measuring jaws easily grab the cables and thus ensure safe and comfortable measurements. And it's a user-friendly design. Features such as automatic measuring range selection, data storage, maximum minimum values, relativity 0 point, and automatic shutdown increase the testing efficiency. And integrated flashlights allows to clear work even in low light conditions. And it's a complete set, ready-to-use kit. Includes the plier meter, measuring cables, thermoscople, batteries, and of course the user manual. The versatile pliers measurement device is ideal for electricians, technicians, and do-it-yourself people. And T-RMS is in precision in our hands, safety in the world, innovative precision future. Prometitions strives to provide a stable and accurate test results in complex and changing electrical environments. They aim to simplify our electrical measurements, making precision a routine as our daily coffee. And that's right, this is a really good clamp. You can make a good current clamp with that, with a lot of multimeter options in it. This is really an all-in-one digital current meter pliers with a lot of counts and a True-RMS. 600 ampere AC/DC. This is the Prometheus CM06. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.